Access granted. Welcome to the 2021 season of the SCQ Access Review and Preview Show.
Yup, you heard it right. It's all in one for this season, and we're definitely looking forward to it. Guys, I'm Andre Skeen.
And I'm Monet Flowers. I hope you're ready to see Jamaica's brightest minds go head-to-head with their quick thinking skills and play for a chance to win the coveted Champions title.
Yup, so let's jump right into it. Now, with the COVID-19 protocols, we no longer have an in-studio audience, which is sad, but the show must go on, guys.
That's right. The season kicked off with some exciting moments in studio, but just in case you missed it, let's give you an update on what took place last week.
All right, on Monday, we saw Manning School defeat Norman Manning High 42-6. On Tuesday, Charlie Mount High won with St. John's High 33-13. Wednesday saw Stats losing to St. George's College on a score of 43-21. On Thursday, Denby High sent home Morant Bay High 45-19. On Friday, for the first doubleheader, Hampton School got a score of 28 to get the better of Mona High 16. The second doubleheader saw Carteret College defeating Oberlin High 50-28.
Congratulations to all the winning teams and well played to their opponents.
We have to make mention of the schools like Denby High, who scored 45 in their first match, and we also have to big up St. George's College and Manning School, getting 43 and 42 respectively in their first match. Listen, it's round one and the players are their heat up.
Listen, the teams have not come to play. Week 1?
New Year 2021.
Let's go. All right. Well, until then, let's give you highlights from last week's matches.
Sports, a visual question. Look at the screen. Identify this person, please. Novak Djokovic. Jamaican heritage. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Holy and tanky. Manning School.
No broke, no square. No broke, no square.
Correct. French. What French verb means to drive? Conduire. Literature. What is the more popular name of the 1830s novel, The Parish Boy's Progress? Oliver Twist. And art. Who painted the piece called Madonna of the Meadow? Manning School.
Leonardo da Vinci.
Leonardo da Vinci.
Incorrect. Raphael. Bible knowledge. Which city and at whose directive to shout did the walls of that Manning School?
Jericho.
Jericho.
That is incorrect. Well, not incorrect, incomplete. Jericho and Joshua. Biology. What is the name for a vascular tissue of a root or stem? And sports. Look at the screen. Identify this individual. Charlemont.
Mike Tyson.
Mike Tyson.
Correct. Jamaican heritage. What building is featured on the back of the Jamaican $1,000 note? Jamaica House. French. Give the English name for the food known as la pomme de terre.
Apple. Apple tree.
Ground apple.
Potato. Literature. Who is the author of the novel The Heart Does Not Bend? Makeda Silvera. And art. The art form Orphism is the sensual and poetic variant of which other major art movement? Cubism. Bible knowledge. Which high priest gave advice to Samuel when he was a young boy? Charlemont.
Eli.
Eli.
Correct. What is the SI unit of power? St. Andrew Tech.
What?
Correct. Sports. Look at the screen. Identify the person.
Yes.
That would be
Hamilton. Louis.
Georges. Hold a moment.
Hold on.
Georges, I believe. The lights flashed.
Louis Hamilton. Louis Hamilton.
Correct. Jamaican heritage. In which Jamaican parish is the Golden Eye? Georges?
Golden Eye. Sorry. There you go. St. Thomas. St. Thomas.
Incorrect. Golden Eye Hotel located St. Mary. French. Translate to English the following sentence. Je dois appeler ma mère.
Yes, boy.
This is Georges.
I have to call my mother.
Yes. Literature. Who wrote the poem South?
Yes, boy.
St. George's.
So, Stuart Brown.
Stuart Brown.
Incorrect. Kamau Brathwaite. Art. Which Jamaican artist sculpted seated figure? St. George's.
Seated figure. Ronald.
Mathematics. A cyclist rides a distance of 9 kilometers in 15 minutes. What is his average speed in kilometers per hour? .36 kilometers per hour. And physics. What is the SI unit of luminous intensity? Denby.
Candela. Candela.
Correct. Sports. Look at the screen. Identify this person. Denby.
Chris Beanie. Chris Beanie.
Correct. Jamaican heritage. In what year did Montego Bay become the second city in Jamaica through an act of parliament? 1980. And French. What expression used with the verb faire means to make a big deal out of something? En faire tout ton fromage. Physics. A runner has a mass of 95 kilograms. He produces a force of 105 newtons between the ground and his running shoes. How fast does he accelerate?
Divide weight at
1.1 meters per second squared. And sports. Look at the screen. Identify this person, please. Brian Lara, former West Indies cricket captain. Jamaican heritage. The Lilliput district is located in Rose Hall in which Jamaican parish? Mona High?
St. James. St. James. St. James.
That is correct. And French. Translate to English the following sentence. Je me lave le visage. I'm washing my face. Literature. What book written by James Joyce was a parallel to the Odyssey?
David Ben-Gurion is a former prime minister of which country?
Israel.
Descartes College.
Israel.
Correct. Mathematics. How many elements are in the set of prime numbers below 20? Oberlin.
8.
Correct. Physics. When the measure of the force placed on an object is divided by its area, what is Oberlin?
Pressure.
To stress. What is derived? Incorrect. Sport or visual. Teams, look at the screen. Identify this person, please. Oberlin High.
Hurricane. Hurricane.
Correct. Jamaican heritage. What is the local name for acuranthes, a herb used in the West Indies for coughs, colds, chest pains, colic, fever, and venereal disease? Oberlin.
Fever grass.
Fever grass.
I have devil's horse whip. Incorrect. Oberlin. French. What is the English translation for this question? Quelle heure est-il? Descartes College.
What time is it?
Correct. Literature. In which Shakespeare play is the question et tu Brute? Descartes College.
Caesar.
Julius Caesar.
Correct. Art. Which famous painting includes a king and queen reflected in a mirror? Les Meninas. Bible knowledge. Who was the mother of John the Baptist? Oberlin.
Elizabeth. Elizabeth.
That's right. Biology. What is the name for the removal of an amino group from an amino acid? Descartes.
Deamination.
Deamination.
Correct. English language. Give an expression using the word movers, which refers to people with money and influence. Descartes College.
Movers and shakers.
Correct. International affairs in 2019. And we won't have time.
We'll take our first break with our trivia question. It's from Bible knowledge. What was the name of Abraham's second son?
You know that one?
I know, but do you know that?
That's not the point. Do some research and see if you can answer that one. Later on, you'll get the answer from us. So all you have to do is
Stick with us. More on the Access Show when we return.